Hi everyone. How to delete Telegram account? Follow the step. Firstly, open Telegram app on your mobile. Then tap on three lines in the top left corner. Next, tap on Setting. Now select Privacy and Security. Here, scroll down and tap on If for under Delete My Account. Now choose a time period. If you don't log in during that time, your account will automatically delete. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Telegram account. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.